Good morning guys, today I'm gonna cook ginataang sayuti na may konting baboy. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, coco mama, coconut milk, and then the sayuti, pork, garlic, onions, ginger, tomatoes, and spring onions and onions. Okay, the meat cook first. Cook first for a few minutes and we'll be right back. So the meat is cooked, okay, so we're gonna add the garlic, see the garlic, and then the onion, the tomatoes, the ginger, and the spring onions. And then we're gonna add sayuti, guys. Add the oyster sauce. Then we're gonna add the oyster sauce. Coconut milk. Kuha ng coconut milk. Kailangan sa hood. And we're gonna simmer this one, guys. Back. Okay, guys, our ginataang sayuti with pork is done. So we're gonna taste it first so that we will know if we need salt or whatever. Okay, we need a little salt. Okay, we taste it again. Okay, it's enough already. And now I'm gonna off the heat. Okay, guys. So that's our ginisang sayuti with pork is done. And now it's super yummy, guys. I wanna taste the sayuti. It's super yummy. Yummy. It's not overcooked and the meat is tender. Okay, so it's yummy, it's delicious, it's very affordable price, guys. Okay, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bro Ja, to my Instagram D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my any accounts. To all my accounts, please subscribe. And then to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Okay.